Alright guys, today I'm going to be explaining replication. So what I was doing is I'm going to add an emote system. So I'm going to be adding maybe like a guitar player on my server. And I'm going to do it as quickly as possible so you guys understand it. The first thing I'm going to do, my player character, I'm going to make a custom event. I'm going to call this guitar play. So that's going to be my event. And I'm going to come off of this and give it a switch has authority. That. Then I'm also going to make another custom event. I'm going to call this one SVR for server underscore guitar playing. And I'm going to set this as very important to run on server. And I'm going to make it reliable. I'm going to make another custom event. And I'm going to call this one multicast. Guitar playing. Guitar player, doesn't matter. Whatever your event is. And I'm going to set this replication to multicast. Make that reliable as well. I'm going to compile this first. I'm going to be doing a couple things. I'm going to make an input. You can make your own input in the advanced input section or in your project settings, but I'm just going to use number 8. Number 8, press it, do once. I don't want them to be able to spam this a bunch of times. So I'm going to go press the button. I'm going to do the guitar playing. That's just coming from right here. Then I'm going to put a delay node. And I'll set that for 3 seconds, so it'll, for 4 seconds even, so that means that they can't spam emote. You could also put a gate there to stop them from spamming as well, but this just works for now. And then over here, server guitar playing. Oh, 1 second. Alright, we're back in. So then we're going to go from authority. We're going to multicast our guitar player, this one here. Player. And from the remote, we're going to go server guitar playing. So what that says, if you're the, basically if you have authority, it's going to multicast it. If not, it's going to do the server. Then from the server here, cast. Then with our multicast, this is where we're going to put our logic. So I'm going to go play in a montage. And this is where you get your logic to do whatever you want your character to do. I just have a guitar playing montage. I'm going to set that file. Here's what I have so far. So when we press the key, does the guitar playing logic here, and that's going to check if there's a server or not. And if we have the server, it's going to play basically the montage. If we're not, it's going to get permission to play it as a client. And then for the server, it's going to play it. We already have that. And in the multicast, this is where we play the actual logic. So let's give it a test. Hop into a game, and I will push the number 8. I have 2 players set. Third person view. Push 8. Just like that. Plays on the client. Push 8 on this one. Also plays on the server. Play in there just like that. That's all there is really to the replication. I mean, there's multiple ways of doing it, but I think this is the most simple way. So I'm gonna hop back in, and you guys can just take another peek. So I guess the basis of this is you make your logic. So whatever you want them to do, you can put emote here, and then you make another one for server, whatever this is, and you set run on server, make it reliable. You do the same thing with a multicast. So you make your multicast node, set that to multicast reliable, and this is where I put my logic for what I want the event to do. And then I put a switch has authority, and I connect them up just like this. Then you have the framework for a replicated event in Unreal. It's just as simple as that. And once you understand how this works, you can apply that for all kinds of different things. So hopefully this helped you guys. I know I get usually DMs daily about how to do replication. This is the simplest way to get started, I think. And I'll paste this in a blueprint as well for you guys to download and try. That way it'll make it easier and you guys can see it in the actual editor. So I'll have that up as well in the description. Hopefully this helps you guys out and you learn something. Have a great day.